In this tutorial, we will learn the application of Paste Special tool of Creo Parametric while copying features or a group of features. By using this utility, we can apply, move and rotate to the resulting copied feature. Copied feature can be linearly translated or angularly rotated in a specific direction using a reference. We can also apply multiple move and rotate operation to the same copied feature by adding additional references. These copied features can be dependent or not, which can be defined also. This is a model of unfinished crankshaft. Its full modeling video was previously uploaded on our additional YouTube channel 3D Solid Modeling Videos/Creo. Here we can see some features have been created. Now we want to pattern these set of features at a distance and at an angle of 120 degree. By using general pattern tool, this cannot be achieved because the patterned component will be related to the parent part. Any change made in the children features will also reflect in the parent feature. There is no multi-body feature in Creo software. The multi-body feature is not available in Creo. Otherwise, a new solid pattern can be done. This facility is available in SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor software. But for this purpose, Paste Special feature is very useful in Creo software. Let us see how it can be done. First of all, we will define the linear distance for the copy feature. For this, activate measure tool and take the measurement between these two faces of the model. It is 145.96 mm. Now select all the features and create group of all these features. Select the group and click copy and then click paste special. In the paste special dialog box, remove the check mark, make copies dependent on dimension of originals and activate apply movement / rotate transformation to the copies. In the transformation section, move option is selected. First define reference for the direction and movement and select this face. Fill the value 145.96 mm as the linear transformation length. Add a new move. This time it will be a rotational transformation. Specify this axis for the direction reference and in the rotation angle fill -120 degree and click OK. Close the opened sketches. Save the status for the sketch visibility. Now again paste special another copy and apply same type of thing as we done earlier. This time translation dimension will be different. It will be 145.96 into 2. Rotation angle will be the 120 degree, not minus 120 degree, to reverse the direction of the rotation. Click OK to finish the command. Close the visibility of opened sketches. So our paste special operation has been completed. Here is our full model. Check video description and YouTube cards to find the full modeling tutorial of crankshaft. Hope all of you enjoyed the tutorial. If you find the video useful, please like it and share it with your friends or colleagues, and do not forget to subscribe us to get latest updates about our new uploads. Here are some of our other popular PTC Pro E/Creo parametric tutorials. Please check out the video description and YouTube video cards to find the links. Thanks for watching.